name's Will Robinson. I'm the Australian High Commissioner to Samoa, and we've been very pleased to support the Red Cross to come here to the Australian High Commission and receive donations of blood today. The donated blood is important for Samoa's response to the current dengue outbreak, but more broadly, of course, to support the Samoan health system, and we're very supportive of the Red Cross's work in not only collecting blood but also in all of the other ways that it engages with the Samoan community to prevent and respond to both health and other social issues. So I want to say a big whawhatai telelava to the Samoan Red Cross for their work in supporting Samoan people and communities. Give blood and save lives. Whawhatai.
Give blood, save lives.
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 Wha'ilau toto, whasawina i se ola.